So we're going to be editing photographs in Photoshop. We've been creating photographs using a green screen, which we're going to drop out, and you're going to want to add in backgrounds. In addition to adding backgrounds, you can also use other images to create textures, and when you're creating layers, this will make more sense as we go. If I want to search for, say, a vintage wallpaper, we can find some really interesting textures and patterns to work with. So I've gone into Google, I've clicked images for an image search. Really important thing to do, make sure, because we're working with quite large file sizes with your photos, I want you to try to select under any size. I want you to select larger than, and then let's go for 6 megapixels. This will help us select images that are a good file size, so we don't end up with pixelated images. This is quite a nice one. So I'm going to open that, right click on it, open in a new tab. I also really like this one. Love the vintage look. So when I go onto the tab up here, I just want to click full size image. Don't just copy the image that pops up. Whilst that's going, I'm going to open this one up as well. Full size image. When you hover over it, you can see I've got a little plus symbol there. Click plus so that I'm getting the maximum image size. Right click on the mouse, save image as. Now I'm going to save that. If I was going into my user drive, I'm going into where my art folder. I want to save that into my originals, and I'm going to just rename that vintage wallpaper flower. Save. This one's still loading. Okay, let's assume you saved that anyway. We'll get back to that later. Save your wallpapers and whatever other images you want to use in your constructed images into your originals folder.